floor bow, Danurasana. The benefits of this pose are many. It'll bring a lot of blood flow to your organs, so that helps to just create a little more motility for your viscera, your organs. It also opens your heart and your chest. It also, on a different level, keeps you from procrastinating and keeps you holding on with some determination, because it's easy to procrastinate in this posture, and the point of the posture is to come into your best expression and breathe through it for 20 seconds. So bend your knees, bring your chin centered of your chest. Reach back, and this time grab the outside ankles. So in standing bow, we grab the inside. In floor bow, we grab the outside. Bring your knees again close. The tendency, and you see this happen a lot, is the knees go wide in the posture. You want to keep them narrow, as if there's a block between your thighs or between your knees. And that keeps you from pinching on your SI joint. Chin is forward, take a deep breath. Let the breath out. And then push your shins up into your hands so your kneecaps come up, and then kick your shins back into your hands. So you don't want to flex your feet here. That'll drive your thighs down. You want to point your toes up so that your thighs push up. Continue to push your thighs up and rock your belly towards the floor, so you're almost on your sternum at the front of this pose. Your thighs are up off the mat. Eyes are up, keeping the kick through the whole posture. Keep breathing and release. Lower your thighs, your chest, your chin, and your shins. Turn your left cheek to the mat. Relax your glutes. Savasana.